Hi there, welcome back. I am Mark and I will be drawing a blueberry pie today. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pen, pencil, some markers, and let's begin. I'm going to start with a line over from my left side of my page. So I'm going to draw this small little line downward, and then I'm going to come over to my right. Okay, then I'll draw the thickness of my pie right here, and this can be a little squiggly, doesn't have to be straight because it's not a perfect piece of pie, it's kind of like cut. So this will come down like that, and then over here we'll have a line that comes down and comes back, kind of like meets up over there. Then our pie thickness down below will be like that, and then we'll have the back side of our pie. Okay, now what I'd like to do is I'm going to start drawing a line from over here over to the top right of my page. So it's going to be like a triangular wedge of pie. So I'm going to kind of go over, and I'm going to stop just before I get too far. Now what I like to do is over here we're going to do like the crust part, like the top part of our pie, and I will come out, and this will kind of come up and be almost like this spiral shape like that, and we'll come, because we kind of like folded that pie, just like this. Then I'll draw these like bumps over here, and then this is going to kind of curve just slightly because our pie is a round pie, so we'll just curve this a little bit like that as we come, and then as we go here we're going to pass the line, and then we're just going to round that over there. And then we can draw like these shapes that come off of the pie crust here that kind of curve up a little bit like that, and we just keep going like this, and then this will join over there. And if you want to add a few more lines, you can do that. These can kind of like come across like that. All right, guys. Then I'll complete this, join that over there to the end, and then we can create some like little divots in our pie, and then we can create some like little bumps in the crust. Now we're stuffed with blueberries, so what I'll do is I'll draw a bunch of blueberry shapes. I'm going to start drawing a few circles like that, and then once I have a few in, I can just start filling these in with a bunch more. There we go. So we have a bunch of blueberry stuffed areas there. All right, now remember I'm going to have some like highlights on a few of these blueberries here. So let's pick out a few, and you can add these highlights. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is I'll grab some markers and start coloring in my blueberry pie. Well, there you go. I just finished drawing a blueberry pie. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. Alright, until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.